Welcome back to our next Syriac lesson. So this is what it looks like without the vowels, which is the way you'd normally read it if you were fluent, which neither of us are. And this is a picture, and this is how it looks when you add all of the vowels for us babies and beginners. So I thought this time I would actually do it with the vowels and see which one is more popular. Okay, so we'll start up here. That's a H, this cool letter. And then we've got R. Let me see if I can get a... No, that's working well. That's a H, R, G, E. Herge. And I think they might pronounce it herge, but don't quote me on that. My teacher will watch this later and go, no, it was pronounced the other way. H, R, that's the R right there. Let me... there's no ink in this pen. Let me get another pen. Excusez-moi. And what's the bit? Yeah, here we go. Alright, so this is H, R, G, E. And it's herge, not hergo. Alright, and that's just because you have to know it. But here we go. This is G, N, Th, which is a T, but in this case it's Th. Can we please focus? Alright, there we go. Th. And then O, and that's how we know this thing is the vowel for O, and that one there is A. Gantho. Gantho means garden. And now this is R, and that's the A, so Ra. B, that's a B, Rab. That's a T again, but To. Rabto. Gantho, Rabto. Right? Rabto is the feminine of Rabo, and that means big or awesome or great. Right? So a big garden. Okay, so here is some vocab. This thing here. It looks like a brassiere. That's a H, and then that's a U, right? And this here is the vowel U. So you know that Hu, it's U, not Ha or He. It's O He or Ho. It's Hu, and then that's a U, a long vowel, and then that's a R, Hur, which means look or gaze. This is that's an F again, and that's a A, Fa, which remember, as I said, you won't see these in actual text. Fa, and then it says a Y, and then see that vowel, that's a O, Fa, Yo. Next, he says Qoyem, Q, which is that letter Qaf at the back of the throat, Q, and that's O, so Qo, and then this is that's an Olaf, and this here is the air sound, so it's E, and then that's a Mim, M. Qoem, but because it's together it becomes Qoyem. Okay, so let's go through and do the lesson. O, and then that's the H, but it's silent here. O, Mo. In Arabic it's Ma, if you ever hear MashaAllah, right? This is the O vowel, and that's a Mim, M, or Mo. Oh, how, oh, you know the old oh, I've mentioned this before, it's not really in English. Behold, or oh, how, F, A, Fa, and then this is the Y, and there's the vowel, oh, Fa, Yo. Remember that Olaf at the end is like 99% silent. Fa, Yo, beautiful. Gantho, we saw already, G, A, and there's the A there, G, N, Th, O, and that's the O sound. Gantho. Okay. Oh, how beautiful is this, the garden. So what a hot garden, yeah. This is Matthew, which is Matei, right? And Matta in Arabic and Matei here, which is the original name for Matthew. There's the M again, just like up there. Ma, and that's the T again, which remember sometimes is a TH, but in here it's Ma, and that's Ta. And then that's a Y, so tai, mate. Hur, see, look, H, U, and that's the vowel for U, R. The dot's up top, so it's R. If it's underneath, it'll be D, but here it's R. Hur, Gantho, G, and that's the A, G, N, T, which is the TH here, and that's the O, so Gantho, Hode. Hode is this, so look at this garden, look at garden this. Right? H, O, D, and that's the E. Hode. All right. eth, and that's a olaf, but that there is the I, and look, it even looks like an I, right, on its side. So E, and then that's your vowel, the Y vowel, but because it's next to that, it becomes E, right? Like library, for example. Eth,